Hey, thanks for joining me for this video. I hope you're doing alright. Today I'm going to show you how I paint a sunset seascape. It's gonna be more on an abstract side of how realistically a painting can be done spectrum. The palette I'm using today mainly consists of vibrant, or should I say no, undersaturated or muddy pigments. So I will be painting with 6 colors plus white if you consider that as a color. The colors I'm working with for this painting are titanium white, cadmium yellow, cadmium orange, crimson lake, cobalt teal, ultramarine blue and Prussian blue. Usually I paint in a single layer, maybe two sometimes, but for this painting I'm just going to paint in a single layer. It's an easy painting with suggestive brush marks, and I'm still learning how not to blend and leave the brush strokes on their own, which is quite tempting not to. So I do sometimes blend here and there and almost everywhere when I'm not mindful and kind of lost in the process. Though I'm painting on paper, it's important to always prime with at least 2 to 3 layers of acrylic gesso. Never skip on that. If you want them to last long, never skip on that. So I'm painting these days just for fun, even though it's very different from my usual style, which is mostly painting portraits. I feel like trying different subjects to express and practice art just for fun. And yeah, the medium I'm using is acrylic, in case I forgot to mention that earlier. So regarding today's subject and why I decided to paint this, well, couple of days back I was going through the pictures I took from one of my rare escapes, and that time it was to the beach. And there's nothing more captivating than watching sunset by the waters, right? I mean, the sunsets are mesmerizing almost anywhere. Each one is so unique, but by the waters, it's different. I mean, the warm gleaming lights tippling and wandering upon the evening waves, and the symmetry between the sky and the waters as the sun proceeds towards the horizon. For that time being, the whole aura just radiated heavens. So yeah, that was inspiring enough for me to paint one. I wish to paint this while I'm witnessing one. I hope that may happen soon. But by the time I'll unwind with just painting these whenever I feel like going back to the shores. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.